Today I will be walking through the OFKC 500 cordless edge router. This is a cordless edge router that lets you make roundovers, chamfers, flush trimming of edge banding, and strip material. Let's start with the bit and the ball bearing guide up here by the base. The bit has a unique design that wraps around the spindle, which results in excellent run-out accuracy and flawless results when edge routing. The flush ball bearing guide provides a consistent flush reference point that allows the bit to cut cleanly along the workpiece edge. It has a low profile that keeps the height down to just ½ an inch or 10 millimeters for tighter clearances. This allows routing rabbets or stacks of panels with ease and precision. The base opening is matched perfectly to the bit, ensuring professional quality results without tipping. The durable hard fiber base prevents scratches and dents while gliding smoothly over any surface. On the other side of the base is an adjustable ring that lets you precisely adjust the routing depth by 256 of an inch or 1/10 of a millimeter for perfect alignment and accuracy. When the desired routing depth has been set, the adjustment ring can be secured by engaging the green locking slide here. On the opposite side of the locking slide is the green spindle stop locking button that allows you to lock in the spindle to be able to undo the screw of the ball bearing guide to change out the bit. The green off and on switch is located here on the side. The battery slot is located on the back. The tilted battery placement gives the router an ergonomical design with an excellent center of gravity for vertical and horizontal use. The OFKC 500 pairs best with the compact batteries like the 4.0 TBX. Above the battery slot is the speed control dial that provides adjustable RPM control to better suit different materials being routed to help prevent scorch marks. The OFKC 500 comes with a roundover bit and a bearing guide installed. The OFKC 500 comes with the following accessories: a dust extraction attachment with a ball bearing brake for a cleaner job site. Also included is a spring plate ball bearing brake that reduces the risk of damage when routing a workpiece with edge banding. To learn more, visit us online or stop by your local authorized Festool retailer.